Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? Kevin here coming at you with another video. This video right here is for my non-subscribers. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the channel and about what we do. We take junk vintage bikes with problems that can't be really easily figured out, and we go through them. We do diagnostics, builds, and so much more. So what we do is I teach you how to work on bikes, the proper techniques, the proper tools, and the proper specifications when applied. We work on four-wheelers, motorcycles, anything that has an engine on it, whether it be a four-stroke or a two-stroke. We like doing the vintage two-strokes on here, but this happens to be a four-stroke. So if you guys like these type of videos and you want to learn how to do mechanic work on your own. Maybe you have a junk bike that's sitting in back of your shed, in your barn, in your garage, in your basement that's been left to you by a loved one, or you just have one kicking around from when one of your family members abandoned it at your place and you want to get it up and running. This is the channel for you. I personally interact with you guys on my Two-Stroke Tuesdays, which is coming up tomorrow. And on every Tuesday, I try to do a live stream where you guys can ask me questions and I can chit-chat and talk with you guys. And so we have a lot of one-on-one. A lot of people find me on Facebook and their emails and all kinds of stuff. And we chit-chat. Sometimes when a problem is too big for somebody or they're not really sure how to do it, they send their bikes up to me. This is a bike right here. This belongs to Elvin, and we're going to be working on this bike very, very soon. So people from all over the place bring me up bikes to work on, and I diagnose them, and I do it right on screen, which is cool because it's a nice teaching for you guys to learn how to do the same. So once again, if you guys like this type of stuff, if you guys like building bikes, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so when I post a video, you guys get it. I'll see you soon. I'm out.